sound absorber panels are an interesting addition to any workspace. Keeping sound transmission at bay in an area working will reduce greatly the echo and reverb effects. They will provide a clear, raw recording of room acoustics, leaving you with working audio files for your post-production needs. 3 main parts are required for building satisfactory level absorbers: the face material being used, the type of installation, the thickness or depth of your sound absorbers. Starting with the first, the material used to face your absorber has to be breathable material. Hold this material up to your mouth about 3 inches away and blow. If you can feel the air from the other side, then this might be an adequate facing. Second, the type of insulation being used is important. You do not want to be breathing toxic or fiberglass materials while working. Mineral wool is the best over-the-counter purchase that is readily available at hardware stores. Third, the thickness of your absorbers will determine the effectiveness. This thickness should be kept in mind when placing your absorbers within the environment for which they are designed. Ceiling absorbers are known for being up to 6 or even 12 inches thick, while wall absorbers around 3 inch to 1 inch. I use 3-inch thick material wool insulation cut down to a desired thickness of each absorber. Keeping this in mind when purchasing this product, 3 inches cost the same for the most part as 1 inch or 2 inch. Plus you will get twice the amount in just one bundle. You can provide a gap or cavity between each absorber and the wall to provide twice the level of effectiveness using half the material. An example, if absorbers are 1 inch thick, then leave a 1 inch gap. This is a highly effective and cost-appropriate way of installing your panels.